In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely download the information you need, whether you're creating a backup, sharing with stakeholders, or moving data to another tool. Start by opening your browser and heading to ClickUp. Sign into your workspace so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually your avatar or initials. Click that to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens your workspace and personal configuration area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select Imports/Exports. This section is where ClickUp manages moving data in and out of your workspace. Because we're sending data out of ClickUp, switch to the Export option. If you initially land on the Import view, look for the Export tab or an Export Instead link and select it. That tells ClickUp you want to generate a file you can download. Next, choose your location. This is where you decide the scope of the export. You can target a specific list, a folder, or an entire space, depending on what you need and what permissions you have. If you only need a subset, pick the most precise location to keep the file smaller and easier to work with. If you need a comprehensive snapshot, go up a level and select the broader location. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the right workspace and that you've selected the exact area you want to capture. If any export options appear, such as including subtasks or other details, review them to match your needs. When everything looks correct, click Start Export. ClickUp will begin preparing your file. The preparation time depends on the size and complexity of the data you selected. Small exports may finish quickly, larger ones can take longer. You can usually continue working in ClickUp while the export runs in the background. When the export is ready, you'll receive a downloadable file from ClickUp. Save it somewhere secure and clearly labeled so it's easy to find later. If you're sharing it, follow your organization's data handling guidelines, especially if it contains confidential project details. If something doesn't look right in the file, revisit the same export area, adjust the selected location, and run the export again. And that's all there is to it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Imports/Exports, switched to Export, selected your location, and started the export. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.